joining us once again. Yes, these temperatures will give us lots of snow up there in the mountains, Angelica.
That's right, Kimberly, and the conditions are even better when the nights are really cold. It helps the snow conditions for skiers and snowboarders. So this week is going to be fantastic. It's going to be very cold at night. The winds tonight averaging up to 34 miles per hour in Julian, almost 50 here in Harrison Park, and we've seen those winds in Boulevard West rather at around 50, 60 miles per hour since about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Now over the coastal communities, definitely better with the exception of Imperial Beach, where the winds are still close to 30 miles per hour. But earlier today, we had winds over 90 miles an hour in Vulcan Mountain, about 71 miles per hour. So definitely a windy day. Some of the strongest winds early this morning. Then we had another round early in the afternoon. Our wind advisory will be ending at 10 p.m. for the coast. And then as we make our way into the deserts, high wind warning also ending at the same time. A high surf advisory remains in effect also through tomorrow for the coastal communities. But inland valleys, it is going to be cold. A frost advisory will be in effect all the way through 8 o'clock in the morning. The temperatures will be in the 30s, and we're going to see a couple of 20s into the foothills. Areas like Ramona, very cold. There's still some rain just north of Oceanside. Farther south, not much happening near San Diego, Chula Vista. But as we zoom out, you can see how there's a little bit of snow still left over. This system is going to continue making its way out. The low pressure system just spinning over Southern California. As it moves out of the area, we'll see more sunshine tomorrow, and then we're going to keep an eye on the next storm system. It's not going to be like the last couple. We're not going to see the jet stream diving south, and it's going to be one of those true events. Instead, it's a cutoff low. So it's a system that breaks from the main flow, and that means it just kind of meanders, and the forecast will be changing. So we have now the chance for the weekend, but that could potentially change, hopefully for the better. Strong winds are expected to continue for the next several hours, improving overnight. Cold with a frost advisory into tomorrow morning for our inland communities. You can see those winds right around 11:30, still gusting in the mountains and deserts, but much better by tomorrow. The numbers right now, 32 Julian, 26 in Mount Laguna, 53 in National City. As we head into tomorrow, it's going to be another blustery day, 59 degrees, 62 on Thursday, and the overnight lows, of course, still very cold. Inland communities around 60, breezy tomorrow, making it feel like we're still in those mid-50s. In the mountains, 41 degrees, breezy. If you're heading up there, just be mindful. It feels much colder than 40 degrees. In the deserts, right around 61 degrees for tomorrow, 62 on Thursday, and we could possibly be tracking winds once again on Thursday. There's a different direction, possibly out of the east, but tonight, bundle up. It's going to be cold.
Yeah, even when we were at Balboa Park earlier, it was cold. Definitely cold. Bundle up. Thank you, Angelica.
Thank you. Well,